So we're in the souk, and we're gonna walk around and see what the things they sell here. There's lots of locals here, so you're gonna find lots of different things. Oh, this stuff.
Kentucky Fried Chicken. Secret spices. From Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Could be.
Qatar.
It could be. Everything smells so good. It's the local deli. Fabric. Man. Look at how pretty you are. Is that your friend? Oh, is that your friend? Hello.
Oh, look at the little tortoise.
Oh my God.
She's like the size of my finger. The tortoise pile up on the freeway. Look, there's like a whole army of them.
Good. Oh my God, Doug. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Oh my goodness, got in little baby bunnies. Oh my God, look at you. How cute are you? Oh my God.
Oh, here she is. You almost caught her cleaning herself because she spilled her food on herself.
It never fails.
And you want to keep yourself clean. So anyway, we've been cruising around the Souk, and we decided to make a pit stop, and we stopped for a nice iced coffee, some sweets, some agua, and now we're going to go try to find the famous Falcon Hospital.
And the Camel, it's like Camel Market pen.
Did she just say Camel Market again? No. You guys have all seen the Camel Market. And now she's talking about going to another Camel Market.
Let's go.
Let's go. So after walking like 5 miles, what have we found?
We have found the Falcon Hospital.
Can't zoom in that close, but we'll trust you.
We're gonna go see the falcons. So in Qatar here, falcons are a very sought after bird. People spend up to like hundreds of thousands of dollars for these falcons, and they, I don't know, they race them. I don't know what they do with them, but it's like a very precious bird to them here. Got some helmets. Other feathers.
Okay, so let's talk, guys. Which one of you ate the bunny in our backyard? I mean the chicken. Somebody ate a chicken. I think it's this guy. He's napping. He's full.
This one's got fancy.
Fancy.
Look at how fancy that is. Ooh. Look, and you got your Falcon gloves. Okay. Oh, look at him. Oh my God, he's got his helmet on. Oh, you're getting fixed? Oh, he's getting fixed. Oh, look at them. Oh, you guys are getting fixed. You're gonna get better. Look at them, they're so pretty. Oh my goodness, look it.
How well behaved they are.
I know, look at them. Oh, they're so pretty.
Sorry. Just put it up.
Oh, okay.
Just, when you make it like this, you
yes.
put to the height.
So beautiful. How beautiful are you? Look at
Just like this. Then he can.
him. Look at how beautiful. He's so pretty. Look at those claws.
Yeah.
Hello, look at you. So pretty. Here we are in Qatar, and we have found an amazing camel market. Something that we actually expected to find in Egypt, but we didn't. This is what we were expecting to find. This is the camel market. Look at them. There's no craziness going on. They're just hanging out. Look, this guy's having a nap. Look, there's a few of them napping. Look, they're so cute. And it's like calm and peaceful. If you want to see the crazy camel market in Egypt, click the link above. They look so like healthy too. Look at them. Look at like his little lips are like in the sand and everything.
So Miss Nicole, what's the scoop on these boats?
So these old boats are what they used to use when Qatar was an old pearl fishing village, really, or town. And now they take people out on them for little tours around the harbor so you can see all the buildings and stuff.
Cool beans.
Yeah. Chilling,
Chilling.
getting the boat ready. Having a little private boat cruise. You see the harbor.
Quite a big boat for the two of us.
I know, right? Look at it. It's like so big. Here we are on our private boat.
Busted up social mores.
We're gonna go
She's touching
check out the. Oh yeah, look at.
Woo! Wow. You're going to sex jail in Qatar.
Qatar jail. So we're gonna go see the waterfront and all of the buildings. So you come along the Corniche Drive, and there's all these boats lined up along here, and you can ask any of the owners or drivers.
They're just standing around going Bosphorus, Bosphorus, Bosphorus.
Exactly. And they'll take you out. You can go for half an hour, an hour, whatever works.
I wanted to take these last couple minutes of sightseeing here to share a little of our experience at Qatar, because it was definitely different than we expected. The males in the society, some of them were amazing, like everybody was really courteous at our hotel. The guy with the Falcon was amazing for her. But the very first person she ran into as a solo woman, because you can't go through immigration together, was the immigration officer, who was really an ass to her for no reason other than I think she was a blonde woman and he doesn't like her. And we had a couple other experiences like that. I mean, most people were really good, but lots just wouldn't make eye contact with them, would only speak to me. It was really kind of not so cool. You see that magnificent giant piece of architectural amazingness. Nicole is standing under the sign for it. Now, if we were in Winnipeg, what would be the equivalent?
The Museum of Human Rights.
Because that's why you go to Winnipeg, right?
Exactly.
And that's why we're here in Qatar.
And this is why we come to Qatar. Let's see if we can make you a pearl head. Oh,